Turn on soft stop feature on Acmeda battery motor. You will first need to increase the motor speed. The buttons are the same, just watch the motor's response. Open the battery cover on the remote. Press P2 once. Press up twice. 2 jolts and 1 beep means the speed is increasing. 1 jolt and 1 extended beep means you've turned on the soft stop feature. To decrease the motor speed back down, search our other videos on Acmeda decrease motor speed.
If we've helped you, please help us by hitting that free subscribe button to find us easier next time. Won't cost you anything, but will most certainly help us a lot. We're not just a YouTube channel, we are real people making real products. Speedy Blinds is a super quick blinds and curtains manufacturer in Melbourne, and we don't muck around. If you're after a Speedy supplier or have any questions, please get in contact with us and we can do our best to help you.